we going?
We're going to Githon.
Automatic
Githon. So we have come to the town of Githon in Netherlands, which is a car-free town. So first we'll check out the town by walk. We'll just walk around and see, and later we'll take the boat and enjoy the boat ride. So we are so excited. So let's go. Smera, say hi. Smera is my cousin. So we have relatives staying in the town of Haarlem in Netherlands. So they have seen Githon previously and they wanted us to show. During the summer season, the Githon town is actually covered entirely with flowers and it is very colorful and extremely beautiful. But now we have come to Githon in the month of September, so the flowers are gone, but it is entirely green and still beautiful. So not complaining. But hopefully we'll visit Githon in summers as well next time. So this is the start of the town. So as you can see, no cars can go inside and it is just
canals
based
and
on canals,
walking road or bicycles.
and it is just a walking road.
They have really nice bridges to cross over.
Yeah, so there are
Everywhere.
these cute little bridges.
Githon, based in the province of Overijssel, Netherlands, is a town with a population of not even 3,000 people. A popular tourist destination both within Netherlands and abroad, Githon is often referred to as Dutch Venice or the Venice of Netherlands.
So this used to be a fishing village. Hello. These are the traditional
Oh yeah,
wooden-
can you see these wooden shoes? So they are traditional Dutch shoes, used to be worn by the fishermen in the olden days for fishing, and I don't think they are used anymore. They don't look practical, but very interesting. You see this small jeep? It is
I'm
written,
divorced.
I'm divorced. She took the other half.
That's really nice.
The village was created 800 years ago by manually searching for peat. In fact, the locals at that time dug by hand and created a complete channel system. With all this digging, the islands were created. That resulted in the typical village structure of Githon.
This is a cheese shop, and Netherlands is famous for cheese. Oh my god, look at this rainbow cheese.
Red cheese.
It has goat and cow milk, carrots, spicy peppers, chives. Yeah, that's the red pesto cheese. How interesting. I've never seen cheese like
Green
this
pesto.
ever. This is the green pesto cheese. This is sambar.
Different
The
variety.
5 peppers cheese, chili cheese. I'm buying this rainbow cheese because look at this. This is so interesting. I don't know if I'll get this anywhere. I'll buy the green pesto cheese. Hopefully it tastes nice. So let's go. I'll enjoy this at home. Let's go. कैसा लग रहा है Githon में आके? I think the restaurants have started now. There are few restaurants in town where you can have lunch, dinner, whatever. Looks very nice.
Founded in 13th century, you might be wondering when this village became so popular. So Githon became famous especially after 1958 when the Dutch filmmaker Bert Hanstra made his famous comedy movie Funfair.
This is on the lake, the restaurant.
It's time for some hot chocolate.
If you visit Githon, you will see these cute bridges everywhere. In fact, there are around 180 bridges in the village that connects different pieces of land, and there are thatched roof houses that date back to 18th century.
That house has free art pottery entrance. So we are going to check it out. Let's go. They have a very beautiful collection. So this is their Instagram. If someone wants to check that out. Githon Floramix.
It's really cool. Check it out, please.
My background is the best background
Yeah.
you can ever see. There's another shop you can see on the right side, and they have some amazing art pieces. And this is made up of glass, I think. I don't
Ceramic.
Look at this bird.
Oh.
That fish rod.
Metal.
So this is Vacancy Park. Githon.nl.
These are all the apartments.
Here.
So I think these are the apartments you can rent.
Yeah.
Even these?
There are 3 rows of apartments
Oh wow.
which you can rent. I think there are more.
So every apartment you can see has a direct canal facing view. Every apartment has its own boat, which is included in the package. So how amazing is this? Now we plan to walk a little more, and then the most exciting part, rent a boat and enjoy the beauty of Githon through canals.
कूद जाओ कैनाल में.
This is the man-sized bronze statue of Albert Mole on the village canal in Githon. Since Mole played a memorable role in Bert Hanstar's film Funfair, the statue was placed in Githon 50 years later.
ब्लू ग्रोथ हो जाओगे तो बहुत ही ब्लू ग्रोथ हटा जाते हो तो आप
ये ज़्यादा गहरा नहीं है जितना इसका जा रहा है ना वो उतना ही है.
Actually, this is one of the most iconic, photogenic space of Githon. Just look at this beauty. So if you Google search Githon, you will find this particular spot in all the images. This building here is the Museum of Githon. So it shows all the history of Githon, how it was made and everything related to the building of this beautiful town. This is the souvenir shop in Githon. Circular tulips. How do I look? Now we are going to rent a boat for 5 people. So it is mostly 30 euros for 1 hour of the round of Githon. So we are going to rent it. Yay! Our boat ride starts! It's a little tough to get hang of it, the motorboat. So we have dashed few times already. But it's okay. This is the restaurant where we had coffee, hot chocolate and some french fries.
What's up, ladies?
The time that everything was done via the water. Transport with punts and narrow boats. The farmer and his cattle and hay. The postman and the baker. The canal was the lifeblood, with thatched cottages on both sides. This is still how it goes all those years later. The water, the little bridges, and the wooden boardwalks for pedestrians and cyclists alike give Githon an air of Venice. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video of this magical town. So please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will come back with another traveling adventure to share with you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.